Hi everybody, Melissa here with Pixie Dust Adventures, and I am at Walt Disney World, and I'm standing right here between Disney's Yacht and Beach Club Resorts. They're conveniently located right behind Epcot and an easy Skyliner gondola away to Hollywood Studios. These resorts are known for the most amazing pool on Walt Disney World property with a lazy river and a sand-bottom beach. Just know that this pool is having some magical enhancements right now. Thanks for joining me. My name is Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures. If you would like planning assistance for your next vacation, look me up. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com.